In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert online pictures into your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation seamlessly. By the end of this guide, you'll be equipped with the skills to make your slides more visually appealing, even if you're sourcing your images from the web. Whether you're new to PowerPoint or looking to enhance your presentations, this walkthrough will provide you with clear and concise instructions. So let's get started. First, open up the Microsoft PowerPoint presentation file that you want to work on. Make sure your document is open and you are ready to add some compelling visuals. Having the presentation you're working on in front of you can make following along much easier. Next, direct your attention to the top of the screen where you'll see several menu options. Find and click on the Insert tab, which is typically located beside the Home tab on your toolbar. The Insert tab is crucial because it houses all the different elements you can add to your slides, from tables and charts to media files. Locating this tab is the first step to accessing a world of creative possibilities in PowerPoint. Once you're in the Insert tab, look below it. You'll notice an option labeled Pictures. Click on this. Upon clicking, you will be presented with more options. You'll see This Device for images stored on your personal device, and Online Pictures, which is exactly what we're going to explore today. For this guide, we're focusing on the Online Pictures option, which opens up a broad range of visuals available directly from the web. This is especially useful if you're looking for something specific or simply don't have the image you need on hand. Click on Online Pictures. Once you do that, you'll gain access to a wide array of images you can use instantly. Simply type in a search query related to the image you want, and you can browse through a selection of pictures. Take your time here. Choosing the right image can make a big difference in communicating your message effectively on a slide. After you've chosen the picture you want to insert from your online search, select it. You'll usually need to click on an Insert button to place it into your slide, but this step should be fairly intuitive and straightforward. Remember, a well-chosen picture not only breaks up text, but also reinforces your presentation's narrative. And there you have it. You've successfully inserted an online picture into your PowerPoint presentation. Doing this can really elevate the overall look of your slides, whether it's emphasizing a point, adding visual flair, or providing a relevant backdrop. Images are a fantastic tool in your presentation arsenal. Enjoy experimenting with different images to see how they enhance your presentation. Thank you for watching, and see you next time for more tips and tricks on mastering PowerPoint.